Thank you very much for showing interest in our product. This bottle is something we're incredibly proud of. We wanted to create something fresh, something innovative, something novel, hence the name NOVUS. We're very excited to announce our beautiful and sleek NOVUS bottle that can eliminate the germs and bacteria in your water with the help of our special ABA coated design. Check out our Kickstarter page for more information, and we hope that you can be one of the many thousands of people that will kickstart this project. Thank you very much for your time. Stay safe and stay healthy.